I'm Chris Desmond, and this is PwC Insights in Brief. We're talking about the Trump administration and the proposed tariffs and what might happen in the first 100 days of office. We have been hearing about tariffs related to China, Mexico, Canada, and rest of the world. And as companies are looking through this, I think we're also looking to say what this impact means. So what we've done here at PwC is that we've put together a PwC tariff impact analysis that has taken the last 12 months of actual import data and layered in what the prospective tariffs could look like by country, by product, country of origin. So when we get into that, big picture wise, the total amount of imports that we have into the United States, roughly $3.3 trillion a year. Of that, 1 trillion has been the focus for many of us for the last several years due to the fact that those are products that we already had tariffs on related to 301s on China and other goods. It's the 2.3 trillion that really is going to be the focus. That deals with the goods that come from Canada, Mexico, and rest of the world, in which they're pretty much zero tariffs right now because of free trade agreements, because USMCA exemptions and other things. So when we look at the impact is going to go from roughly 81 billion a year to a total of $900 billion a year in total tariffs. And for that 2.3 trillion piece, it's going to go from zero to $550 billion. That's going to be the largest impacted. And the companies that are going to be, or the industries that are going to be hardest impacted are going to be your motor vehicles, pharmaceuticals and medicines, computer equipment, and oil and gas, when we think about the industries that have a large inflow from North American perspectives. So the next 100 days are going to be under the microscope. We're going to be looking at the changes that are going to be coming out through an executive order or multiple of types of orders. There's about 6 different ways that Trump could administer the tariffs. And when you go through that, it's important to look at your operating model and look at what the impact looks like, not only from an overall numbers perspective, but what does that mean for supply chain operations? What does that mean for your tax group? What does that mean for your customs group? Because as you look at each of those, they're going to impact things differently, but it's the holistic impact that companies are looking to get better insight on. So for more details about the industry benchmarks, go see our attached insight. Thank you for watching, and this has been PwC Tax Insights in Brief.